Every day, the world of financial opportunities is evolving. Fast and secure access to global markets is now a necessity. With Coinlocally, stepping into the world of trading is just a few clicks away. In this video, we'll guide you through a simple and secure way to log in and take the first step toward building your financial future. Click the login button at the bottom of the page. Enter your account email and password. Enter the code sent to your email in this section. You have logged into your account.